ThermoTec presents the Cool-It Mat. The Cool-It Mat from ThermoTec works best to battle excessive heat and noise that may penetrate into the driver compartment through firewalls and floorboards. It is also perfect indoors, under hoods, and in the ceiling. And now that we know everything about the Cool-It Mat by ThermoTec, let's install it on our 56 Fairlane. In this case, we're going to install it underneath the hood. So first thing you want to do is get all your materials together. So we use the heavy duty spray adhesive from ThermoTec. We grabbed a roll of their seam tape as well, and then got some all-purpose cleaner and degreaser. A pair of scissors, straight edge, ruler, measuring tape, that sort of thing. It's all you're going to need for this application. The Cool-It Mat is made in the United States with a foil skin on one side for resin-bonded silica blanket insulation and the MYLAR facing on the other side. The MYLAR reflects heat up to 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit away from surfaces. The foil side is oriented away from the heat source to conduct any penetrating heat across its surface, providing the ultimate in heat protection. The silica blanketing is a dual density composition and is the main sound insulator. So first thing you want to do is make sure the surface is really clean. And then we measured it up. So the 4 foot by 4 foot Cool-It Mat will fit perfect under the hood. Our hood has a couple of straps that go across from left to right, so it's going to be pretty simple. Just cut a piece off the 4 foot by 4 foot plank of Cool-It Mat. We spray the adhesive on the back side of the Cool-It Mat as well as a little bit on the hood too to make sure it sticks really well. We're going to use the seam tape on the edges just to make a nice clean edge. And that's it. It's a pretty simple installation. Cool-It Mat is easy to trim and can be applied with the push-pin fasteners provided or any WEATHERSTRIP adhesive. The Cool-It Mat is a 1/2 inch thick and available in 3 convenient sizes, including a 50-foot roll. Learn more about the Cool-It Mat and other fine products at thermotec.com.